just wanted to show this to you guys. This is the Technics bridged at 4 ohms, and this is running the fixed up type S subwoofer down there. Don't know if you can see it. It's yeah, I fixed that one up. It looks like a piece of shit, but it sounds fucking amazing in that box. Check this flex out. It's amazing. Just down about here. That's amazing. Fucking hell. Shit.
Get a street life up. I don't discuss.
It's even louder. Damn. That is insane, right? For a 10-inch subwoofer ported in a corner of my room off a bridged Technics that is like 75 watts a channel. Wow, this is crazy.